Hey guys, it's Davida with WTI. If you are looking for a really good quality, durable phone case for your iPhone XS or X, then I would recommend you look into this brand Spigen. What I love about this brand is that they have really good quality cases. So I have used this case for quite some time and it has been super durable. Honestly, it's lasted the entire life of my iPhone, which is pretty amazing. And as you can see, it's still really good quality. I like that this is not flimsy at all. It's actually really sturdy. So you can move it up and down, back and forth, and you're gonna see it's not really gonna budge or move. The buttons themselves are actually a little bit softer, which is nice because it makes using the function of the buttons much easier. It has a nice little bumper around the area where your camera would go, and so that is a nice feature to protect your camera. I honestly love the simple, sleek design of this, the transparency of it with the matte black color around the edges, and it fits my needs perfectly. So if you are looking for a fantastic case that gets the job done, that works even if you drop your phone, then I would definitely recommend this one. And that is my point of view.